Hello, my name is Popcorn. And Glenda's gonna paint me tonight, and then I go to slide. Oh no, she's gonna paint me. That means I'm naked. I'm so embarrassed. Bye. Oh no, you're not naked. What? You have your feathers on. How's that for an intro? We are going to paint Popcorn the Penguin, as named by Cheryl. So, it's time to paint this little guy. And then we're going to put him on the slide. Okay. Popcorn. Yes. Are you ready? Oh, baby. Okay. You'll be wet. I know. I gotta let this guy dry. And I painted him on all sides. I'll be back when he's dry. Well, Popcorn is sleeping right now. Or should I say, down for the count. We had to do a little surgery. I was holding him by the legs, which was not a good thing to be doing. And we had to super glue one back on. My husband did the work. I can't hold something still long enough for the glue. I tried Elmer's, but I couldn't hold it still good enough. But that's my problem. I should not have been holding him by the legs in the first place. I should just do one side at a time, right? He can't answer me, he's sleeping. And he may not want to talk to me when he wakes up. He's going to be mad at me for breaking his leg. But it's all done. All put back together. He's going to be just fine. Thanks to super glue. And he gets to rest on his slide and have fun. That's what I'm telling myself. Okay, we're going to let that part dry again. And then we'll turn him over to do the back and the sides. Okay. So while he's been on his back, I did go ahead and do all the under parts. Even if we can't see them all the time, we'll likely see part of them. And just as well have him looking finished. So. Okay, pretty much not much white on this side except around the neck. So we're going to give him a nice and around the eyes. Got a ring around the eyes. Or we'll have, if I can do it right. Straighten you guys out. You're just all crooked. And I think you just went crooked again. Okay. Or that feather texture, I'm hoping you can see it coming through as I paint here. See if I can get a little closer in your view. I'm scared of his legs. But I need to be able to hold on to something. I need to be able to hold on to something. Oh, golly. Hope everybody's been having a nice time. Hope you had a nice weekend. With Joe home all the time, it's even harder for me to keep track of whether it's which day of the week it is and if it's a weekend or a weekday. I have to sit and think a minute. Well, this is going to be like one little streak here, one little streak there. I think I better wait until he's dry, otherwise maybe I can just be very careful about how I hold those feet. Okay, well, we'll have to let him dry some more. And I'll be back. Do you want to bring that super glue in here in a little bit? Ah, jeez.
Do break something again?
No, 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 no. I'm ready to put him on the deal.
Oh.
Ah. Oops. All these little damn touch-ups. I know that part's not going to show. He is pretty much painted. He's painted. He's still drying a little bit, but he's ready to be glued onto his slide. Oh, I want to go sliding. Oops, I still got it really way in. Okay. I want to go sliding. My name's Popcorn. Ooh, look, I can see myself. I'm so pretty. Joe's gonna add the super glue. Joe's gonna apply some super glue right here, right there. Okay, and Popcorn's on his slide. And that should hold him. Popcorn, the penguin, is now having a nice slide on the ice. Let's give him a nice little, let's show him off really good here. Oh, I gotta clear all this crap. In a minute, I gotta clear some stuff up. Are you ready for a fantastical surprise? Dun, 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 dun. You've already seen it. There he is. He's sliding. That's all the moving he gets to do, though. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing Popcorn and his little slide all come together. I've had fun with him, except when things didn't go right, but they got fixed. So he is now happily forever sliding down that slide. So I hope you have a wonderful week. Actually, I'll be back tomorrow. What am I saying? Tomorrow is Monday. No, you're seeing this Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday for you. So I never know what I'm talking about. I love you. Good night.